So today I wanted to show you a corner shelf for a tile shower that is an after the fact install. So normally in a tile shower, when you're tiling, you would notch out a corner, stick something like this in place, mortar it, and then you'd grout it later, and that's how you would install it. This one though can be applied after the fact with adhesive. So this one is made in America, made by Somerset. I think it's only sold at Lowe's, not totally certain. But anyways, this tile corner shelf has a little hole in the middle for drainage. It's sloped already. It comes with double-sided tape that you apply to the corners, and if your shower is a little bit out of square like this one, you can put more double-sided tape to kind of fill the gap. But what's actually holding it is polyurethane. And I like to take some shims and I just wedge them in to a grout line. But basically I'm just going to be setting this on top, sticking it in with the adhesive, and that's going to be it. So I don't even really need the double-sided tape, but I'm just going to apply a fairly thin bead here. Now if you have a little bit of squeeze out from this, not a big deal, you can wipe it off. I'm going to set it on top of my little shims and then stick it back. One thing I didn't mention is you really need to clean the surface in the back of this with rubbing alcohol really well so that there's no residues or dust or anything that'll prevent a good install. That took like a minute compared to having to cut out tile, notch it, and all that. So definitely a time saver, and if you've got a shower and you really want to add a corner shelf, pretty simple. So you see just a tiny bit of slope, not much, but yeah, that's it. Again, that's the Somerset tile corner shelf at Lowe's, and seems like it'll be a good product.